Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I am in love with this rug. Let me tell you why. First of all, it feels luxurious on your toes. You'll want to walk on it all the time, and it's so soft and silky in your hands. It makes you feel like you want to just lay on it and do snow angels all day long. According to the directions, you could let it sit for a few days, or you could do it like I did, throw it in the dryer with a damp towel, and it comes out perfect. I love that it is washable, and you could see the sewing on the edge is very, very strong, and you won't have any problem with this rug. You'll see that it's very addicting. You'll want to just lay on it all the time and work. And it's so comfy for stretching. It will make your stretch routine just glorious. So get yourself the softest rug you could ever have. You will not go wrong. This is a must for your bedroom, for any room. And that's my point of view.